What's up, Techatonians? Welcome back to another unboxing and a review. So this product I found at CES 2020, it's the GravaStar company from the future with crazy cool speakers with ultimate sound. Now, let's take a look around the box. It's a, once again, crazy cool speaker, blah, blah, blah. Bluetooth 5.0, powerful sound, 20-hour battery time, and true wireless stereo. And package dimensions: output 20 watts, package content a speaker, USB cable and auxiliary. And yep. Now, what makes this company stand out? Well, all of their speakers are handcrafted. So every single design you see here, they made themselves. I'll have links down in the description where you guys could buy it. This is the manual. I'll probably need it to connect it. And let's dive into the box. Let's come back to that in a second. So we got the aux cable, and this is a very good quality aux cable. And then we got a USB to USB-C. And that seems like it's it. Now, box to the side. Take a look at this, guys. Just looks like something out of the Transformers movies. You got the buttons right here on top. Legs fold out. And this is all handmade. Now let's connect the speaker and see how this works. Alrighty, got the power bank ready. Let's see, I guess it powers up through USB-C. And then, yeah, so you got the light going here. And then we click the power button. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Whoa. Did you guys hear that? Listen again. How cool is that? And yes.
Ready to pair.
Ooh. Ready to pair. So. And check that out. This panel is a touch panel, so you get to choose. Wow. All right, so you heard that sound, and there's a pause button on it. Let me turn off the lights. Alright guys, I don't know about you, but imagine having a couple of these kick-ass speakers in your house. This is so cool. Let me see if I could power on without the battery. I guess they said the batteries are included. Yeah, let's check that out. Let's take it with you anywhere you want to go. Alright guys, thank you for watching this review. Hope you guys like this. I did. I really love the design. I like this functionality. This alone stands out to me a lot. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, visit GravaStar. Link will be down in the description for Amazon as well for their official website. If you do planning on buying this, visit my affiliate link. It does help me keep this channel going and bringing you guys great content. Stay tuned. A bunch of more CES 2020 unboxing and videos coming soon to you guys.